Okay, guys, we've been hearing some pretty weird sounds lately, so we're gonna make a video about it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wrong door.
Okay,
let's go.
Just walking down the street. Hey, what's this? I wonder what this button does. Oh no! Stop for cover! What's all that racket outside? Okay.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to the other side. Okay, how about this? Why did the chicken run the other way?
Why?
Because he saw Alex's face.
I just love holding this door open for no reason. Don't you, Nick? Hey, Mommy, look at the new trick I can do.
To make a shot. The world championship shot. $1 million in the stake in line. Man, hope he doesn't find me.
Hey kid, give me your lunch money.
No! Okay. Time to take a shower. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That video was testing new sound effects we got from a new app, and I think it was pretty good. I don't know about you, Josh, but I think it was pretty good. Let alone our trailer video that I wasn't in.
Yeah.
I died.
So,
Well, I'm just happy there's no more sound effects, because kind of creepy sometimes.